We see there could be a variety of reasons why it's leaking, and we'll start with the easy stuff first, and then we'll get into the little more difficult. A lot of times it will be when you shut the door, there'll be something caught in that, and a piece of, a towel or sheet or something is caught in there, and it's allowing that seal to break a little bit and leak out. So those are the real easy fixes, and some people sometimes don't see that and panic. That's when just stop, rebalance the load, shut the washer, go again. Other problems we've seen is if you've got a supply hose that's coming into the washer, maybe after the water valve, over time that could be getting brittle, get a pinhole in it, so that's something you want to look for. People will confuse chemical leaks with water leaks, where chemicals are very corrosive. If you don't have a good chemical supplier that's using a flush down manifold that dilutes it, those hoses can get brittle and get holes in them much quicker than just regular water supply hoses. So that's something you'll definitely want to take a look at, is just examine your machine, look at all the hoses, make sure that they're in good physical condition. The next one gets a little bit trickier, is these front-loading machines have, because the water level's at the place where the shaft of the shelf or the basket goes through, there's seals there, and those seals hold the water out. Well, over time, they can go bad, and then all of a sudden, if that seal's leaking, most likely it's going to take out the bearings, and now you're into a really big repair bill. So paying attention to when that happens is really important, because if that water is leaking on motors, now the bearings, which are very expensive, need to be replaced, and a motor needs to be replaced. You're buying a new washer, you're not repairing it.